Welcome to our quick and easy guide on setting an alarm on your iPhone. Whether you're a night owl needing that early morning wake-up call or someone who loves organizing their day to the minute, we've got you covered. First, find the clock app on your home screen. Its icon looks like a white clock face inside an orange square. Tap to open it. Once you're in, you'll see 4 options at the bottom: world clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. Tap on alarm. To set a new alarm, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose the exact time for your alarm. Spin the hour and minute dials until you've set your desired wake-up time. Are you an AM riser or a PM power napper? Make your choice. Now let's personalize it. Tap on sound to pick a melody that'll either gently lift you from your dreams or practically throw you out of bed. Your call. Don't forget to label your alarm. Whether it's wake up, gym time, or world domination, it helps to know what you're waking up for. Need to wake up at the same time every day? Tap on repeat to select the days of the week. This way you won't have to set a new alarm each night. Almost done. Hit save in the upper right corner, and you're all set. Your alarm is ready to go. And that's it. You're now a master at setting alarms on your iPhone. Subscribe for more life hacks and tips to make the most out of your tech. Until next time, stay punctual and powered up.